Yeah, I already started ripping it up. Um, just today, I got it yesterday. Trying to recover some of the batteries. Apparently, they're good. So on a trigger charger, that has also uh, you can fix them. Apparently, with that trickle charger. Here's my friend, my helper. What's up, Seba?
Hi.
So I don't know if he helps or do all the opposite. But yeah, he's helping. So I already started ripping it up, the whole boat. As you can see, I took off the seats. The seats are over there. They are in decent condition. They were reupholstered some time ago, apparently, but they were in very good condition. As you can tell, I took all the lids off. All the lids. I took off a trolling motor. It was an older model. Motor Guide, Gator something. It's over there. Gator mount, trolling motor, 24 volts. Watch out, Seba. Watch out. 24 volt trolling motor. I took it off. I'm planning on installing something bigger over there. The dash is pretty good. It's kind of toasted in some areas, especially this area here where the buttons are. All the electronics are working. All the buttons are working. Seba, tranquilízate. So I took it off. All the lids. I'm trying to take apart the carpet. The frame of all this over here, I always try to recover it to use it as a frame for the new carpet. I'm gonna install it's a charcoal gray midnight gray carpet that I liked. That's the one I'm gonna install over here with the trolling motor. The windshield is in very good condition. It's over there also. That's it. So right now I am trying to rip it apart. Of course, I have the boat. Let me get down. The boat still shines over here, as you can tell, on the sides. Stop. But on the top is very, very faded. I already hit it a little bit over here, a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, it shines a little bit here, yeah. I already hit it just to check how it was gonna be. I hit it also here. It came out, but it probably needed to be wet sanded. The graphics, I'm going to order new ones. Same as this Skeeter ones over here. That's very, very faded. The trailer is in decent condition. 4 brand new tires. The guy told me he put them on like about a couple of weeks ago. This one is a little toasted, but it's a spare tire, so we should be good. It is a detachable tongue. You take off this over here with a lock, and then the other one, and all this front part from here up comes out. It has trailer brakes. I'm not sure if they are working, but it has them installed. The trailer is in decent condition. The boat also a couple of scratches on the bottom, but nothing bad. As a gator guard over here, I need to glue it a little bit. There is my helper. He's showing how it is. Can't complain. I'm ripping it up. Still from 2019. Doesn't have a tag. Numbers. I got some numbers. They're black and red, so that's good. Hopefully I got the numbers. All the interior lights, at least they're all working. I will have to put some LEDs probably in here. I also got some LED lights, red ones also, that I'm gonna try to put on the sides. Same here. This stainless steel rail is in decent condition, not bad. If I can find these parts, the end parts, I will try to buy them. All the bleach pumps and everything are working. The aerators are working. It had 2 Lowrance HGS. I believe they're Gen 1. Right down there is the port for the HGS 3D scan, the structure scan, my bad. Yeah, it says LSS1, so I believe it's Gen 1. It has an 8-inch for the console and a 5-inch on the front. It has 2 locker storage over here, 2 rod storage is on the sides, one cooler over here, one daily tackle over here, another, I don't know, storage on the side maybe for life vests, two little one storage and one bucket under the seats, another like glove compartment over there. This is the live well. The openings for the live wells are pretty small, but yeah, the live wells inside I can hold up a couple double digits in there, and two more storage compartments over here. This is the battery door, which is relatively small for the ones I've had. It's a Minn Kota triple bank battery charger. So you can tell that one is a cranking battery. It's brand new. As it says over here, it's 321, March 21. The two deep cycle batteries for the motor for the trolling are I recovered one of them. The other one is working on it. Hopefully they hold charge. And here's the connector. You just plug the extension cord over here and recharge your batteries, all of them at the same time. It has a Teleflex double wire bracket, steering system. It is mounted on a manual, that's a manual bracket, transom bracket over here. Transom is solid, everything is good. It has a four blade stainless steel propeller, Skeeter. I just need to probably wet sand this and buff it pretty good. It'll come out. It has to have some shine. The graphics are in pretty good condition. It has a double gas tank. I mean, that's what it is. The boat is in very decent condition, as you can tell, in comparison to the others that I've had. Ooh, it shines. You see over here, you see that? It shines. She will come out pretty bright. I'm gonna recover everything, repop the carpet. Carpet is already ordered. Glue, I ordered 2 gallons of glue since it's a 20-foot Skeeter. She's a 1997 with a 97-200 EFI Mercury. Yeah, so is what it is. I'm gonna be working on that for the next couple of days. Another recover, another facelift to another boat. Still, she's dirty. Look at that. Yeah, it was haven't been used in about a year. But yeah, so another recover. Yeah, hopefully I can work on it for the next couple of days. Okay. Yeah, hopefully I can work on it. That's a video. I'm recording a video.
Hey.
Who are you?
Sebastian.
Sebastian, right? Yeah, he's my little.
I can run super fast, like.
Yeah.
I can do.
Hey, are you helping Daddy on the boat?
Yeah.
Are you? Okay, good to know. Oh, I didn't know. She's a limited edition performance boat. Great. All right, guys. See you soon. Peace.